Hello friends, welcome to Spa Life TV. I am Denise, your host. And let's face it, everybody would love to spend a day at the spa. Well, like every day. But that's not realistic. So how can we make that spa life part of our everyday life? And how can we fall in love with getting healthy again, making it simple and fun? Because getting healthy was never supposed to be this complicated. And that's why Spa Life TV was created. We created it so that, well, we could share with you all the fun things that you can do to get healthy and enjoy the process. And also because when I got sick, I was the healthiest person that I knew at the time. I was doing all the things, eating healthy, exercising, even going to get massages and taking supplements. But I was making it too complicated. And I was becoming more stressed with trying to keep up with everything. And I got really, really sick. So what are we doing wrong? Well, I call that the opposite of doing it wrong. I call it the spa life. And that's what this TV is all about. Did you know that the word spa actually means healing through water? And we are 80% water. So the secret is in the water. So Spa Life TV is about creating a lifestyle that is simple and fun and conducive to healing. Because you cannot heal. The body can actually not heal in a state of stress, overwhelm, chaos, anger, frustration, complicated hecticness. We must change that. And I call that a spa life. Now, spa life doesn't just mean going to the spa and getting massages. That's unrealistic and quite expensive. So in this channel, we're going to cover 4 things. We're going to review, visit different spas, and talk about the topics of how to prepare your trip, how to find a great spa. What are the great spas in California? First of all, that's where I'm talking from, and then different parts of the world. And number 2, how do you create a spa experience in your home? You don't have to wait till you go on a trip. What are the simple things you can do in your home? And number 3, well, I'm going to take you on a journey as we explore developing a wellness Airbnb. I want to share with you and take you on that journey. And then number 4 is let's talk about topics that optimize your health, that focus on keeping it simple, fun, and focusing on the water, because the secret is in the water. So I'm very, very excited about this journey, and I'm excited to bring you along. We're going to have so much fun. And I want to ask you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this together. And number 2, share it with a friend so we could build a big community. Number 3, send me a message and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. What questions do you have about going to different spas or creating experiences in your home? We're going to talk about optimizing your health. What kind of topics do you want to see on this channel? All right, friends, I will talk to you soon.